Yes, students, our today's topic is now present perfect. The structure, affirmative structure of present perfect is subject plus have has, verb in third form plus object plus remaining part of sentence. For example, I have written a letter. वो मैंने आपको बताया. Agreement of verb is subject which we discussed in primary auxiliaries. We have written a letter. You have written a letter. He has written a letter. He, she. When subject is third person singular, at that time we use has with the subject. Otherwise we use have with subject. He has written a letter. She has written a letter. They have written a letter. It is negative. मैंने आपको बताया ये auxiliaries में negative हम कैसे बनाते हैं by using not after helping verb. तो यहाँ मुझे have has है helping verb. Have has है auxiliary. तो have has के बाद में not करूंगा fix. तो क्या आएगा? Subject plus have has plus not. Third form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence. I have not written a letter. We have not written a letter. You have not written a letter. He has not written a letter. She has not written a letter. They have not written a letter. Now with the help of affirmative we can make interrogative. कैसे? यहाँ ये जो auxiliary have has, we take it in the beginning of the structure. Have has. Then we write the remaining of the structure. Plus subject plus verb in third form plus object plus remaining part of sentence. And the structure will end with note of interrogation because it is interrogative sentence. Have I written a letter? Have we written a letter? Have you written a letter? Has he written a letter? Has she written a letter? Have they written a letter? Okay. इस तरह interrogative negative हम बना सकते हैं with the help of negative. We take this auxiliary have has in the beginning of the structure. Then we write the remaining of the structure and the result will be interrogative negative structure. Have has plus subject plus not plus verb in third form plus object plus remaining part of sentence. And the structure will end with note of interrogation. Have I not written a letter? Have we not written a letter? Have you not written a letter? Has he not written a letter? Has she not written a letter? Have they not written a letter? यहाँ भी आपने एक चीज याद रखना है. The short form of have not is haven't. The contraction of has not is hasn't. You cannot write have not I written a letter. Either you have to write have I not written a letter or you can write haven't I written a letter. Haven't we written a letter. इस तरह यहाँ I haven't written a letter. We haven't written a letter. And native people, they usually use contractions in their communication. Now after this, we have past perfect. अब हमें discuss करना है past perfect. पहले ही दिन, when we started the structures of tense, उस दिन मैंने आपको बताया कि I will teach you in comparison. Because आपने सिर्फ present का structure याद रखना है, past और future आपको खुद आएगा. यहाँ देखो, have has plus verb in third form ये आपने रखा है, ये present perfect में ये verb होता है. Instead of have has, अगर आपको had है वहां, had plus verb in third form, have has का past had, तो that would be past perfect. वो होगा past perfect. So मैं कहूंगा the past perfect structure, affirmative structure of past perfect is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object plus repose, remaining part of sentence, and the structure will end with full stop. For example, I had written a letter. Agreement of verb subject, हर एक subject के साथ had आएगा. So we had written a letter. You had written a letter. He had written a letter. She had written a letter. They had written a letter. I had written a letter. We had written a letter. You had written a letter. She had written a letter. They had written a letter. इसका नेगेटिव आप आराम से बना सकते हैं by using not after had. तो मैं क्या लिखूंगा? Subject plus had not, had plus not plus third form of verb, object plus remaining part of sentence, and the sentence will end with what? Full stop. I had written a letter, so it is negative is I had not written a letter. I had not written a letter. We had not written a letter. You had not written a letter. He had not written a letter. She had not written a letter. They had not written a letter. And remember, the contraction of had not is hadn't. HADN apostrophe T. I had not written a letter, or you can write I hadn't written a letter. Okay. तो इसी तरह हम with the help of this affirmative we can make interrogative. Affirmative की मदद से हम interrogative बना सकते हैं. देखो मुझे है ना subject plus had, तो we will take this had in the beginning of the structure. Had plus subject plus verb in third form plus object plus remaining part of sentence. So I will end the structure with note of interrogation. ये है ना I had written a letter, इसका interrogative बन जाएगा had I written a letter, had I written a letter, had we written a letter, had you written a letter, had he written a letter, had she written a letter, had they written a letter. Similarly यहां मैं interrogative negative देखो कैसे बनाऊंगा. Interrogative negative I will take had in the beginning of the structure, then I write remaining of the structure, that is subject plus not, third form of verb plus object plus remaining part of sentence, and the sentence will end with note of interrogation. Had I not written a letter, had we not written a letter, had you not written a letter, had he not written a letter, had she not written a letter, had they not written a letter. Okay, and the sentence will end with note of interrogation. This is all about past perfect. So we discussed present perfect and past perfect, and the last is future perfect. आज perfect tenses हम कर रहे हैं discuss है present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. तो मैंने बताया जब आपको पता है verb in first form is have has plus verb in third form is present perfect. Instead of have has if you write had plus verb in third form it will be past perfect. अगर आप अब if have has plus verb in third form के सामने shall will करोगे use that will be future perfect. लेकिन यहाँ आपने एक चीज याद रखना है shall will is never followed by has. तो have has के बदले खाली हमने have लिखना है. Shall will plus have plus verb in third form. This is future perfect. So I write here future perfect. Future perfect. Affirmative structure. Subject plus shall will plus have plus verb in third form plus object plus repass. Repass means remaining part of sentence. Very good. So मेरे को ऐसे I shall have, we shall have written a letter. I shall have written a letter, we shall have written a letter. And the remaining, with remaining subject we will use will. I or we के साथ हम shall करते हैं use. You will have, he will have, she will have, they will have written a letter. He will have written a letter, she will have written a letter, they will have written a letter. तो इसका नेगेटिव हमें बनाना है. तो how I make negative? I will write not after the auxiliary. ये मैंने इससे पहले ही बताया हमें दो auxiliaries है. shall will एक है दूसरा. तो जो सब्जेक्ट के नजदीक auxiliary होता है उसी के बाद हमें not करना है यूज. तो I write here subject plus shall will plus not plus have third form of verb plus object plus repass remaining part of sentence, and the structure will end with first stop. हमें है ना I shall have written a letter, तो इसका नेगेटिव है I shall not have written a letter. I shall not have written a letter. तो यहां मैं इसका contraction लिख सकता हूं. I shan't have written a letter. The contraction of shall not is shan't. And the contraction of will not is won't. इससे पहले मैंने आपको ये बताया. I shall not have written a letter. We shall not have written a letter. This you can understand in my lecture which I have given. Full lecture on contractions. I shall not have written a letter. We shall not have written a letter. You will not have written a letter. You will not have written a letter. He will not have written a letter. she will not have written a letter, they will not have written a letter. तो अब with the help of affirmative we can make easily interrogative. तो जो सब्जेक्ट के नजदीक पहला ऑक्सिलरी है उसको हम बाहर निकालेंगे इन फ्रंट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. तो आई राइट हियर shall will प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैव थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. यहां से मैं ये बना लाता हूं ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. With the help of this, I make interrogative. With the help of this, I make interrogative negative. देखो, shall I have written a letter? Shall I have written a letter? Shall we have written a letter? Will you have written a letter? Will she have written a letter? Will she have written a letter? Will they have written a letter? And these structures, these sentences, they will end with note of interrogation because it is an interrogative sentence. इसी तरह you can make interrogative negative with the help of negative. आप interrogative negative बना सकते हो negative की मदद से. We will take shall will in the beginning of the structure. Shall will in the beginning of the structure. Then I write subject plus not plus have plus third form of verb object plus remaining part of sentence and the structure will end with note of interrogation. For example, shall I have not written a letter? Shall I have not written a letter? You can write shan't I have written a letter. Shall I have not? The short form of shall I have not is shan't I have. Sorry. Shall I not have? Sorry. Shall I not have written a letter or shan't I have written a letter? Shall we not have written a letter? Will you not have written a letter? Will he not have written a letter? Will she not have written a letter? Or won't he have written a letter? Will he not have written a letter or won't he have written a letter? अगर आप लिखोगे will not he, that is wrong. So with it we completed present perfect today, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. अभी तक हमने क्या डिस्कस किया? देखो कंपैरिजन में हमें क्या फायदा आया. मैंने बताया कि प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट वर्ब इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म होता है. इंस्टेड ऑफ वर्ब इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म जिस सेंटेंस में वर्ब इन सेकंड फॉर्म वर्ब होगा दैट इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. अगर वर्ब इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म के सामने शैल विल करेंगे यूज, शैल विल प्लस वर्ब इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म, दैट विल बी फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट, प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर. इस तरह आपने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस भी याद रखना है. इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब इन इंग फॉर्म, इट इज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. अगर इज एम आर की पास्ट फॉर्म में वाज वर्ब, अगर मैं लिखूंगा वाज वर्ब प्लस वर्ब इन इंग फॉर्म, इट बी पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. ये इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब इन इंग फॉर्म, अगर इसके सामने में शैल विल लिखूंगा, शैल विल और मैं लिखा था इज एम आर प्लस वर्ब इन इंग फॉर्म, बट शैल विल इज नेवर फॉलोड बाय इज एम आर. तो इज एम आर की फॉर्म में दूसरी फॉर्म में बी, बी प्रेजेंट इज इक्वल टू इज एम आर, बी पास्ट इज इक्वल टू वाज वर्ब. तो शैल विल प्लस इज एम आर के बारे में लिखा बी प्लस वर्ब इन इंग फॉर्म, तो दिस इज फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस. इस तरह आज हमने पढ़ा, सिर्फ ये आपने याद रखना है. हैव हैज प्लस वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म, इट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. इंस्टेड ऑफ हैव हैज अगर आप लिखोगे हैड प्लस वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म, इट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट. अगर इसके सामने आप शैल विल करोगे यूज, शैल विल प्लस फिर हैव हैज, इसके बारे में लिखोगे हैव प्लस वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म, बिकॉज शैल विल इज नॉट फॉलोड बाय हैज. तो शैल विल प्लस हैव प्लस वर्ब इन थर्ड फॉर्म, इट इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. बेटा इसके बाद इंशाल्लाह ये यूसेज पढ़ने के बाद मैं नरेशन उठाऊंगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट से मुझे कुछ ने फोन किया है, कुछ ने मैसेज भी लिखे हैं कि सर नरेशन स्टार्ट कीजिए. इंशाल्लाह आफ्टर द यूसेज ऑफ टेनर्स आई विल स्टार्ट नरेशन. स्टे विद मी, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड यू विल गेट मोर एंड मोर लेक्चर्स. थैंक्स.